Hey guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at SoundPEATS Space over-the-ear wireless headphones. I'd just like to thank SoundPEATS for sending these over for review, but as always, all thoughts and opinions are completely my own. So in the box, you'll find the SoundPEATS Space headphones, a USB Type-C cable for charging, an auxiliary cable for if you prefer a wide connection, and of course, a user manual. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the headphones. So you can see here I have them in white and it has like a silver finishing on the logo on the ear cups. Up the top here you can see they have like a nice soft mesh material, and then on the bottom we have a memory foam. The headphones are made out of a plastic, which makes them really lightweight. All the weight's down here in the headphones, but they are pretty light. So you can rotate these, so you can put them around your neck and rest them on your shoulders, which is really good. And they also fold up nicely. They don't come with a carry case, so you just have to be a bit careful when putting them in your backpack that they don't get scratched up. Okay, so on the right side we have the auxiliary port, so you can plug the auxiliary cable in if you want to connect it that way. Over this side we have the volume rocker, so you can change the volume, and you can also use this as the skip track. This button here is the play and pause button, and it's also the power on and off button. Then on this side we have the USB Type-C port for charging your headphones, and here we have the ANC button. This is so you can toggle between the noise cancelling mode, normal mode, and transparent mode. So you can see the ear cups are made out of a nice memory foam. I'm not sure exactly what this material is. It's sort of like a really soft vinyl. So also inside the ear cups you have left and right, so you know which way you need to put your headphones on, which is really good. So I like that they've done that nice and big, because sometimes they just do it really small on the inside, and so you're always sort of looking to see which way your headphones go. So I like that you can just quickly look and then put them straight on. Now let's talk about what these headphones have to offer. They come with an incredible battery life with up to 123 hours of playtime with a single charge when you're in normal mode. And even when you switch on active noise cancelling mode, you still get a solid 61 hours. And if you need a quick charge, just plug them in for 10 minutes and you'll get about an extra 12 hours of playtime. The SoundPEATS Space also features advanced noise cancelling technology. Hybrid ANC helps cut down ambient noises. For those of you who love deep bass and rich audio, the dual 40mm drivers help deliver a powerful and immersive sound experience. Plus, with multi-point connectivity, you can easily switch between devices. And you can customize settings through the SoundPEATS app. So let's go over to my phone and we'll take a look at the app. Okay, so here is the SoundPEATS app. We'll click on that and it's going to search for the headphones. Once it's connected, it'll bring you to this screen. So on this screen you can see the battery percentage, and then if you come down to the bottom over here, this is where you can customize your controls. So up the top we have the volume control, and then here we have the adaptive EQ, which you need to do like a little bit of a test to set that up, but I haven't done that yet. And the next thing we have is the equalizer. So SoundPEATS actually have a whole bunch of presets that they've already made for you. So you can play around with these when you're listening to different types of music to see what you like. And then they also have the custom equalizer. So in here you can move these around to sort of get the sound just how you like it, which is really cool. And then if you don't like how it sounds, you can always just reset it. So it's really cool that they have custom features like this in the app. So, and then if we just come down here, we have the noise reduction. So you can go from ANC mode, which is noise cancelling. I'm not sure what this one is meant to be, but then you have normal mode and transparent mode. So you can either change between these modes on the app, or you can use the ANC button on the side to switch between each of the modes. And then you also have a game mode. So yeah, that is the SoundPEATS app. Now regarding the audio quality, when using the ANC, the active noise cancelling, these headphones sound really good. But when using the normal or transparent mode, the sound quality doesn't quite hit the mark. It sounds a bit flat and not as full as when you are using the ANC mode. So most of the time I find myself just using active noise cancelling mode just because it sounds so much better. But there are times when you might want to use the transparent mode, like if you're out walking and you want to hear your surroundings, you can still have pretty decent quality music playing or a podcast, and still hear your surroundings as you're walking. But for every other time, like when I'm at home and stuff like that, I definitely have the ANC mode switched on because it does sound really good. So overall, I think these headphones are really impressive for the price point that they're sitting. You can't go comparing them to something like the Bose headphones or the AirPod Max headphones because they're just on sort of another level. But for this price point, you cannot go wrong. You get an app where you can customize all your presets for your headphones. You get a super long battery life and you get decent headphones that sound pretty good. Like I honestly didn't really know that headphones can sound this good at this price point. I don't really have any other cheaper headphones to compare them to. My experiences with using Bose headphones, or I use the Samsung Bud Live earbuds. So that's sort of the quality level that I'm used to. But I'm actually really impressed with the quality of these cheaper headphones. So if you are in the market for a more budget-friendly headphones that have great sound, awesome battery life, I think you're going to be pretty happy with these. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go check them out. And as always, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.